Hello, this is a presentation to show how to copy a screen, and this is assuming you are working in the course management system, and I'm going to go into e-college. And one of the things I find helpful working with courses is when you first get into one of these management systems, many times each course is only turned on for 1 week at a time, and trying to record some of the things that are happening in the course, especially after the week expires. If you need to go back and make notes and record data, I just want to show one simple technique that I find very helpful to capture what I need. Many times all I need to do is make a photograph of the screen, and that's what I'm going to show you here. This week's assignment is on synchronous learning, and I'm just going to look at some of the screens here. We have a lecture, we have a Google Hangout, and I'm also recording this in Camtasia. So one of the things I'm doing, I'm recording what I see here so I get everything on my screen and I can at least visually come back and look at it later. Here's an assignment. Let's look at this. Please post it three questions, and I'll make my screen just a little bit bigger here. And there's the assignment for the week. Now I can save that on Camtasia if you have Camtasia, but here's a built-in trick that I find very helpful just to capture whatever's on the screen, because I can always capture something that's on a screen. And this is assuming you're using a PC. You can do the same thing on a Macintosh, except that it's a little bit different, but most people have a PC, so I'm going to show you this method. In order to capture the screen that we're looking at here, the Module 4 assignment, Synchronous Teaching and Learning, I'm going to hold down the Alt print screen, so I just capture the screen as opposed to the full window. In this case, pressing the print screen or the Alt print screen button would render the same results. So you can't see that I've pressed that, but I have pressed it. Now that I've got my screen open, I'm going to put that screen in this Word document. I could put this into a Paint document, but I'm going to put it into a Word document here and assume this is going to be an assignment, or rather a journal of the week. So pressing the Control key and the V key, notice that the picture that I took by holding down the Alt print screen button appears on the screen. What happened there when you press the Alt print screen button, that causes whatever you have on a window on your screen, or if you just press the print screen button, what you have on the entire screen to be copied to the computer clipboard. Once it's on the clipboard, it can be pasted into anything that you might choose to paste it into. So many times I'll paste this into Paint in order to edit a screenshot and make it a bit smaller and a little bit more meaningful. Here I just want to record this for a journal, and I've done that, and I've got this in my Word document. Now if I wanted to capture other things, I could simply go through and capture these. One of the value points of this is that if I'm using this for a class, or if I'm teaching a class, I can ask students to verify their assignments by showing me what they've done by taking screenshots and putting those into a Word document and then sending me the Word document. Now that I'm finished with it, I'm going to copy this, not copy it down, but I'm going to save the document. Click on the Save button here, and I'm going to close Word. Now that shows you how you can copy a screen, save it to the document, and then use it later on in your coursework. Hope you find this helpful.